Boss Mark Variety TV, Nook Top 5. Yan, paborito kong panoodin yan. Tara, upakan na natin to. Samahan nyo na ako.
Factory worker Kamakili recently moved from his home country of Greenland to live and work in Denmark. But little did he know that the apartment he moved into had a horribly dark past. 7 years ago, a 49-year-old man was brutally attacked and lost his life right outside the apartment's front door. After Kama moves in, he begins to know...
Itsura pa lang ng apartment, talaga nakakatakot na eh. Lalo na pag sa ibang bansa, yung mga ganyan. Malamig kasi sa lugar nila, kaya parang sa tingin ko malakas magparamdam yung mga espiritu dun eh.
Notices things moving and falling to the floor for no reason. He hears the creepy sound of someone knocking on his door, and doors inside the apartment slam shut for no reason. One afternoon, Kama hears strange sounds coming from somewhere inside his apartment. He pulls out his phone and starts to record as he tries to find the source of the odd noises. But then, this happens.
Lakas ng lampas ng pinto, no? Parang ano, itinulak ng hangin, no? Parang ano, kinalabog talaga, parang ganito. Yan. Pansinin nyo, sarado naman yung bintana. Isipin mo kung hangin ang gagawa nyo, eh, paano sarado naman yung bintana. Paano? Karamihan kasi, gano'n, diba, yung pagpapalo yung mga pinto, kundi hinahangin, malakas na hangin, tumatama. Pero yun, tignan nyo, sarado yung bintana.
The door slams shut right in front of him, and it seems to literally scare a fart right out of him. But now, this is where the fun ends and things start to get really dark. Because another day, not long after sunset, the eerie activity in the apartment starts up once again. Now, Kama is a bit scared, but once again, he takes out his phone to try to record proof.
Itsura ni Manong, itsura ni Kuya, kita mo talagang hindi naman siya matatakotin, pero malakas din ang loob niya.
But the creepy activity in his apartment, what happens next, is truly creepy.
Malakas pa nga yung loob niya kasi isipin mo kung yung iba yung tatakbo na yan, pero sa kanya nilapitan niya pa.
his helmet slides across the...
Isipin mo parang ano no? Parang may tali kung titignan mo parang hinila ng tali. Kaya tinalian ng sinulid. Ilahin ng gano'n. Kasi puro pag yung hila puro palayo Hindi naman bumalik.
Floor. Later that night, Kama decides to live stream from his apartment. He says that he's having trouble sleeping because he keeps hearing things moving and falling to the floor over in the next room. What happens next, live on camera, is downright chilling.
Hindi ka talaga makakatulog yan Kalabugan ng kalabugan Aparador mo tsaka pinto. Paano makatulog yan? Lagyan mo ng mga unan para lagyan mo ng mga unan para hindi pumalo yung mga pintuan tsaka aparador mo. Napatakbo na siya. Ikaw ba na gumalaw na yung upuan mo? Nakitang-kita mo May nakasilip sa bintana niya. Sa bintana ng apartment niya may nakasilip. May nakatayo.
Caught live on stream, Kama hears the sounds of his belongings falling to the floor in the other room. But when he goes to investigate, the drawers of the small cupboard slide open on their own. Kama's had enough and runs down the stairs and out of the building. But when he looks up at his apartment window, he is shocked to see someone or something standing inside his apartment, seemingly looking right down at him. So with everything that has happened, could Kama's apartment actually be haunted by the restless ghost of the man whose life was taken there? Let me know what you think. Just a quick...
Kita niyo guys, may nakatayo doon sa bintana niya. Malakas talagang paramdam pa yung mga ganun.
I know, but Greenlandic is only spoken by around 57,000 people in the entire world. So a huge thank you to Nuke's Top 5 viewer Wilhelm for translating Nuke's Top 5 viewer videos. Nuke's Top 5 viewer Natalie Hintz is taking a few iPhone Live photos of her sister-in-law and niece at a scenic lookout in Utah, when suddenly she notices something very odd.
Ganda tanawin sa kanya, ganda paligid nila. Parang sarap magpalipad ng drones. Kita niyo yung bike? Walang tao pero ang bilis ng takbo. Pwede rin siguro tinulak ng ganun pero dapat yung gagalaw na yung harapan yun kung itinulak lang talaga ng ganun yun pero pababa, di ba? Kaya
when Natalie watches the live photos back,
tsaka malayo yung pagitan kung itinulak lang ng ganun yun, gawa ka sa manibela tapos sa upuan tinulak lang ng pag ganun yung pababa, may tendency pa rin na tumumba, di ba? Pero yun, ito mahaba ng tinakbo na ang bilis pa.
notices a bicycle riding by and at an alarming speed in the background, all on its own. There's no rider, and there's no one chasing the runaway bike. Natalie says she is creeped out by the strange photos.
Siguro yung ano yan, yung namatay na ano yan, na yung kaluluwa na nagbabike dyan, na dating biker siguro yan, bike. Kasi kahit ano na siya, kahit wala na siya, nagbabike pa rin eh.
Viewer Stephen Figueroa says that he's been experiencing paranormal events since he was 3 years old. He says that he has even seen full-bodied shadow apparitions in his home. So back in 2013, when Stephen was 18 years old, he says that he was finally able to capture proof of what he's been experiencing. But it's a bit potato because all he had to record back then was his iPod Touch. Notice that the trash can first tips slightly forward, then moves back, and crashes over onto the floor. A few bags and suitcases fall over as well.
Dalawa pa yung tumumba, no? Kung yung basurahan lang ang tumumba, baka may nagtulak sa likod ng ano, ng parador. Pero yung kung eto yung sabay eh. Halos sabay tumumba eh.
For no apparent reason. Cut to 2017, and Stephen has now upgraded his video with a new phone. When he hears the strange rattling noise coming from the hallway outside his bedroom, he once again decides to try to record some proof of his paranormal experiences. And this is when things start to get really weird.
Akala ko may nakatayo na sa gilid. Mannequin pala.
A picture frame on the wall violently moves and raises up, almost as if it's trying to fly right off the wall. Since this video, Stephen says that his grandmother cleansed and saved their home, and for the last 6 years, he's happy to report he's never had another paranormal experience. This next creepy video was sent in by News Top 5 viewer Paulus Hillender. In his email, Paulus says that his brother was home all alone one night at their farm in Finland. Out the window, he notices that the light in the barn has mysteriously turned on. Paulus says that this strange event has happened many times, but no one in his family can figure out why. Now the farm is in the middle of nowhere, and the man is all alone, but nevertheless, he gathers his courage and goes out to turn off the light. He films the barn as he searches for any explanation as to why the light turned on. What happens next is downright creepy.
Grabe ang dilim. Grabe na, parang abandonado na rin yun. Pero parang, hindi yung masyado, parang ginagamit naman lagi, pero parang ano, parang itsura niya. Kasi sa laki ng lupa, sa kanila, hindi mo alam kung saan tinatayo yung mga bahay na, baka dating sementeryo eh.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
A pale, undefined face can be seen staring in through the window of the
May nakasilip. Parang labo kasi, parang lata.
barn, seemingly watching the man before disappearing into the night. Thankfully, whatever it was seems to have scurried off, and the man returned home unharmed. But what do you think this is? Is it something paranormal? Or perhaps something even more terrifying? A real person stalking around the farm in the middle of nowhere in the dead of night. Hanako-san, a group of friends at a high school in Japan hear crying coming from the restroom during their lunch break. Now in Japan, there's the famous legend of a girl named...
Yan, mga boss, basta Japan talaga. Karamihan dyan, kahit makapanood mo sa mga video na ano, grabe yung paramdam yung mga multo sa kanila sa Japan.
Hanako-san. This young girl's spirit is said to haunt restrooms in schools across Japan. The group moves in, all of them a bit hesitant to investigate the source of the creepy sound. Needless to say, it did not go well.
Eskwelahan pa pala eh. Siyempre sa eskwelahan talagang marami rin yung malakas magparamdam dyan. Eskwelahan, mga ganyan, eskwelahan, simbahan, lumasimbahan, hospital, yan, mga malalakas magparamdam na yan. Yung bowl ng kubeta na parang ano, na nakasayad lang doon sa sahig, no? Paano kaya, sa atin kasi tayo, pag ano, nasa bowl, nakaupo eh, paano kaya ano doon? Parang ano lang, parang nakatambay lang. Hirap na hirap sila buksan, tapos biglang bubukas yung tumakbo sila. Yung mukha, ang ano. Grabe yung mukha, ano. Bakit? Isipin mo.
The girls were just about to leave until they suddenly hear a loud bang and go back for a look. The horrifying, distorted face of a young girl can be seen inside one of the restroom stalls. The group runs in fear, and the video cuts. Now,
Bakit ganun yung ano, multo sa kanila? Parang kumpleto yung mukha, di ba? Alam ko pag multo eh, hindi mo na makikita yung ano, blanco na yung mukha. Parang hindi mo na makikita yung ano, yung itsura talaga.
Fortunately, there's no source to be found for this video. It appeared on the internet as mysteriously as the Japanese legend. So did the girls capture evidence of Hanako-san? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. The 6-year seal. A girl says that she lives in a spooky house that was built in the early 1800s. She says that as long as she can remember, strange, unexplained things have happened around the home, including odd noises and creepy, unexplained footsteps in the middle of the night. Tragically, the girl's mother passed away inside the house under mysterious circumstances. Soon after, the girl's granddad became convinced that there was something evil inside the home. For unknown reasons, her granddad sealed his bedroom shut, hid the key, and left the house, never to return. The old man's room remained locked off for the next 6 years. Then suddenly, one day the key to the room was found just lying in the open on the living room table, with no explanation as to how it got there. One night, the girl and her friends decide to explore the allegedly haunted house, using a spirit box in hopes of getting some kind of answer from the other side. And that's when things take a very unexpected turn.
Yan eh, hindi pa ako naka-experience ng ganyan. Yung, ano, may parang ano, matawag dyan, ghost recorder ba yan? Parang radyo siya na nakakahack siya ng ano, nakakuha siya ng salita ng ano, ng mga espiritu. Grabe, nakakatakot yung chicks. Nakakatakot yung babae sa laod, nakatapis lang. Mas talo siguro pag walang tapis.
Group thinks it's a ghost and freaks the out. But things are about to take a much more sinister turn as the three friends finally decide to unlock and explore her granddad's 6-year sealed bedroom. It was just a bedroom.
Are you going in?
No, I'm getting a bad feeling about this.
I don't feel good. No, I don't. You just got so lightheaded. I just got so lightheaded. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. I got lightheaded as soon as I walked in here. You are not welcome here. My head's itching. If there's any chairs in here, leave. You are not welcome. Why is Santa Claus locked up?
That's what that's just pretty weird.
Why, Santa, why are you locked up? It could be an object in here.
Yeah.
Do you ever think about that? Like, it could be an object, you could just burn the whole room. Is it in the closet? My bag's burning.
Box burn.
Is it really? My bag's burning! I don't know. Oh my god!
Pinapakita niya yung brief niya, eagle. Hindi, pinapakita niya yung kalmot sa likod niya. Parang kinalmot siya sa likod.
Look at your feet! Stop. No, get out. You don't get out marks off your back. Stop. No, you did. No, you give me anxiety. Oh my god! You're kidding, right? You're
The girls are shocked as their friend seems to get scratched by something inside the room.
It took us like 5 minutes to unlock that door. Like, it wouldn't open. We went in and immediately I felt lightheaded. Didn't you say you didn't feel good? Alexis, yeah. Immediately I felt lightheaded and I was like, okay, that'd been weird. But I was just trying to like play it off, you know, like it's not real. He said that his back was burning, and as a joke I was like, oh, imagine if he had scratch marks. And then he had them. And in the movie, obviously you can see there was no one near him.
After this terrifying ordeal, the group believes
Sipin mo yung likod niya, no? Kalmot-kalmot. Wala daw na ano, no? May ibang ano.
something is very wrong
Grabe naman kaluluwa na yan. Nananakit na. Mas mahirap yung ganyan. Nananakit na.
inside that house. They say that they plan on just staying out of that bedroom.
Kinalmot-kalmot ka kasi madumi na yung kwarto mo.
But what do you think is going on here? Could there be a dark entity linked to that bedroom? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. Lost Soul. In Michoacan, Mexico, a photographer named Paco is waiting in his studio for his friend Eduardo to arrive to work on a project. Paco suddenly hears his friend Eduardo outside his open window, talking loudly to someone on the street. Paco checks his security camera to see what's going on. And, just watch.
Creepy na paintus. Oh. Creepy, no? Parang may kinakausap siya, pero wala naman, no? Wala naman siyang kausap doon talaga. Nakita mo? Magalaw-galaw pa yung kamay niya, eh. Nireview niya yung CCTV. Ay, yung nag-ooperate siya yun. Kala niya may kausap siya na iba sa labas.
Por Dios, güey. Te lo juro por Dios que el señor me preguntó qué onda de la pinera. Te lo juro por Dios, güey. Un señor se me acercó y preguntó, oiga, disculpe, ¿dónde es la pinera? Por eso le explico.
Yeah, pinapaliwanag niya. Kasi pagka alam niya may kausap siya doon sa labas eh. Ibig sabihin, may third eye siya. May third eye siya kasi nakikita niya yung hindi nakikita ng iba eh.
Le digo que tenía que cruzar y darle más para abajo, güey, te lo juro. Te lo juro, güey, no mames.
Eduardo swears that a man was asking him for directions, but the security footage shows no one there, just an odd white mist. So did Eduardo have a conversation with a ghost, or a brief mental breakdown? Because he seems convinced.
Creepy, no? Nirecord niya pa sa CCTV, no? Nakita niya, no? Na wala siyang kausap. Pero, tingin niya may kausap siya. Sabihin, bukas yung third eye niya. May third eye siya.
So let me know what you think. Alice Attic.
Static.
Amateur paranormal investigator Phil Koch has been posting strange captures from his supernatural explorations for 15 years on YouTube. Something just crashed right next to us. In fact, I featured Phil's videos on this channel many years ago.
Grabe, lalakas magparamdam doon sa kanila, no? Yung ibang bansa talagang lakas magparamdam yung mga espiritu.
Something just moved behind me. Now, on this particular night, Phil and his teenage son are performing a paranormal investigation in the attic of an allegedly haunted house in West Allis, Wisconsin. And things get weird.
On the floor. So, 56? 70? Between
Without them knowing, a voice seems to whisper, "Go outside."
7.
Outside.
But what happens next?
Sabi mo, sinabayan yung boses niya, no? Go outside. Attic pa. Eh, yung attic sa kanila, di ba, ginagawa nilang bodega. Parang tambakan ng mga gamit nila. Kaya siguro, ang dami din nagbabahay dun. Kahit di naman dito sa Pilipinas, ganun rin siguro eh. Marami talaga, basta attic talaga, pag sinabi attic talaga, nakakatakot.
Shocks them to their core.
It's like 12:30. And I think that it was about an hour since we heard those footsteps coming through here, but I don't know what that was from. What's our average temperature? It's about 37 and 38. That's why I'm cold. And I'm getting like a 0.2 all the way through the room. Like it's going to 45. There's 50. Oh, I got a 50. I got a reading here. Okay. No. I got a reading here.
Na kahit sino magugulat dun. Gumamit ka ng EMF, tapos nag-reaction ka agad yung EMF mo, tapos biglang gumalaw yung upuan. Takbo ka talaga.
Phil and his son have had enough. They just run right out of the attic. But when Phil uploads the video, many viewers claim that they can actually see something sitting in the chair that slides out. But what do you think? The wandering patient.
Out daw. Yan. Kasi lakas talagang paramdam dun.
This next video takes place in an allegedly haunted hospital. Now the story goes.
Yan, mga hospital talaga. Lakas magparamdam dyan. Kasi sabi nila, pag namatay daw yung mga tao, yung kaluluwa, dyan daw naiiwan. Dyan daw naiiwan. Yan, dyan na nag-i-stay. Sa hospital at saka sa simbahan. Yan, dyan daw.
That the spirit of a little girl who passed away still wanders the hospital halls, unable to move on. Down in the hospital cafeteria, the staff working the late night shift experience something that makes their blood run cold.
Ay, no, naman nos están asustando. Ya quiero llorar. Buto, ya está grabando. Ya deja de jugar, niña.
Kung tawag dyan, mga boss, yung sa mga ganyan na, hindi naman pinturin man tawag dyan. Comment nyo po sa baba para malaman ko. Hindi ko po alam yung tawag dyan eh.
Pequeña. No mames. Pequeña, que estamos jugando, ven acá. Ya se fue para allá. Se abrieron las de allá. Se abrieron las dos. ¿Quién salió? A lo mejor. Ay, no. Nunca me asusto. Nunca me asusto. Y ahora. No, ya. ¿Qué necesitas, pequeña? No. ¿Ocupas algo? Ay, no. Pequeña. Ya perdió la luz.
Now the hospital night staff all know the creepy story of the little ghost that supposedly wanders the hospital. So they watch in terror as the cafeteria gates and automatic door open and close on their own, almost as if someone is walking there. But as the doors close, a small dark figure can be seen walking by the doors on the other side.
Bata doon na sa sliding window. Ay, sliding door pala. Pagka sara ng ganun, may anino na lumabas, anino naglakad.
But whatever it is, it somehow just doesn't trigger the automatic doors. So could the stories be true? And is the hospital indeed haunted by the spirit of a little girl? I leave that up to you to decide. The Madison Seminary. Two teams of paranormal investigators decide to explore the allegedly haunted Madison Seminary in Madison, Ohio. Madison Seminary.
Seminaryo, yan. Sa mga seminaryo, meron din dyan. Mga ganyan. Mga lumang seminaryo, mga lumang mga ganyan na lugar, talagang maraming paramdam. Bakit kaya lalakas magparamdam doon sa kanila? Kasi malamig siguro ang lugar. Sabi nila, pag malamig daw ang lugar, talagang malakas magparamdam yung mga multo eh.
It was built in 1847, and over the years, the building has been used as a school, a hospital, a mental asylum, and even as housing for the grieving families of men who died in the Civil War. With a long, dark history like that, it's no surprise that many ghosts are said to haunt its abandoned halls. So one spirit in particular is
Abandonado pala eh, tapos naabutan pa ng Civil War. Kagera pa noon. Kaya talagang maraming paparamdam dyan.
said to be that of a very unfriendly doctor who tries to frighten and physically attack anyone who visits Madison Seminary. Now, the team of paranormal investigators has just started to explore the building when investigator Mandy notices something very odd.
Yan na mga boss, kung gusto niyo ganito yung laging content natin, paki-share, like, and subscribe po. Tsaka comment below na rin po sa baba para lahat po ng updated po kayo sa mga bago nating video. Yung sa natin, yung sa cementerio natin na bali naghahanap pa ako ng location natin na pupuntahan. Samahan nyo po ako lagi. Paki-share na rin po, paki-like na rin po. Click the button na rin po para updated po kayo lagi sa mga video. Tara, panoodin natin. Upakan na uli natin to.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, he's super red. Look at that. Oh, the sun just came through. Oh, it's pain.
Oh, what the? It almost looks like a thumb. That's weird.
Okay.
What? Yeah. It's a weird spot, too. Yeah. I don't even feel anything. Like, it doesn't feel like anything right now.
No, that's weird.
I guess we'll see if it does.
Pain, ano yung sumabay sa babae. Yung babae ba nagsalita ng pain o yung hindi nakikita, yung kaluluwa?
Does it start to feel like something?
Turn again?
So it's running or something?
I mean, that's so red.
I know, it doesn't feel like anything. It's weird.
Ghost hunter Steve is shocked to discover that a large red mark has suddenly appeared on the back of his neck. But he says
Meron siyang dito sa batok, no? Parang binatuan siya kagad. Parang binatukan siya parang pinektusan kagad siya dito sa batok eh.
he doesn't really feel a thing. So the group continues upstairs where the angry spirit of the doctor is said to sometimes appear. As they record, they capture something that is downright creepy.
Get out. Karamihan napapanood ko na mga ganyan, yung mga ghost hunting. Puro laging nila, yung gadget nila. Puro ganun lagi sinasabi. Get out. Pati sa Tagalog, alis. Alis ka rito. Yan, puro ganyan. Get out, get out. Pinapalis talaga sila kasi ayaw nga nila nagagambala sila eh. Yung makukulit eh. Gustong ginagambala sila eh.
It's like a male voice on it.
Stupid.
It was like 2 or 3 words.
Doctor! He just said doctor.
Right after we heard male voice, it said doctor. Yeah. So the thing is, he says he doesn't like to be called a doctor because he says he was a surgeon. So people call him a doctor and makes
Parang may tumakbo ka kanina.
him angry. So we call him a doctor.
Is there a doctor down there?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yung doktor pala yun. doktor pala yung multo. Mga sinaunang siguro yan. Mga sinaunang doktor, yung mga nabumultong doktor na mga panahon para Civil War siguro yan. Yan.
Definitely heard a voice coming from down there.
The group hears a male voice coming from somewhere.
Sabi nila, pag kunyari yan, trabaho mo, doktor ka, tapos namatay ka, parang kahit kaluluwa ka na, parang kung ano yung nakasanayan mo ng buhay ka pa, parang ganun pa rin ginagawa mo kahit patay ka na. Ayun ang sabi nila, ewan ko lang, pakicomment nyo po kung tama po yung yung idea ko na yun. Sabi nila, pag buhay ka, kung doktor ka, buhay ka pa, doktor ka, tapos pag namatay ka, parang ayun na nakasanayan mo. Siyempre, yun pa rin ginagawa mo kahit patay ka na. Parang ganun daw yata yun.
In the attic. But did you see it? Right after the investigators hear a voice in their obelisk ghost box says the word doctor. A small dark figure can be seen running into the attic hallway.
Sabi ko nakita ko ganina parang may tumakbo yung pala ano pala. Kala ko nga pusa ka ganina yung pala ano mo. Anino.
The ghost hunters don't even notice the odd figure and only see it once they review their
Gumagapang.
footage later. So did they capture the spirit of the old hospital doctor on camera? You decide. You can watch this entire investigation over on the YouTube channel, Ghost Club Paranormal. Caught on camera.
Ayan.
Late one night, Claire Mills from Manchester, England gets a notification on her Ring camera that someone is moving around in her front yard. For obvious reasons, Claire is a bit worried, and she immediately checks the camera footage. What she sees sends chills down her spine. A strange white mist can be seen quickly darting.
Nakita niya yung parang dumaan papunta doon sa gate. Palabas ng gate. Yun.
Down the driveway before disappearing completely. Claire has no idea what to make of this bizarre figure and wonders if she might have caught a ghost on camera. We need scary videos, so if you see something scary that you think would be perfect for the top 5, send it to me at nukestop5@gmail.com. Secret Shopper.
Yan.
Security guard Ramirez Rivera is working the night shift on New Year's Eve at a Bodega Herrera store in Torreon, Mexico. The security guard is a little bit bored and records the video complaining about having to work.
Gwardiya sa dyan, gwardiya. Security guard dyan sa lugar na yan. Siguro, Rubing guard yan. Parang ganyan. Pero dalawa lang yata yung guard dyan sa ibang bansa pag ano. Ayan.
All alone on New Year's Eve. Suddenly, something very strange happens.
Año nuevo, señores. Feliz año nuevo aquí encerrado. Quedando el rondín. Jale.
Happy New Year daw. Ayan, tamang rubing siya doon sa location niya, sa nasasakupan niya.
Sin llorar. Ay, güey. Hijo de su pinche madre. Luego se yo. Ni pedo, vámonos. Uy. A la chingada. ¿Qué chingas trae ese pinche? No manches.
Sino ba yun yung ano na yan sa alabas na Toy Story? Yan Lagi na lang gustong-gusto namang multo yan. Sa Toy Story na yan. Sino ba yan? I-comment nyo po sa baba. Dalawa yan, kasama niya pa yung nakasombrero ng cowboy cap
No se oye con sensor, valiendo madre. Vámonos mejor. Uy. Uy, güey. Vámonos mejor.
After this creepy occurrence, the security guard is a little freaked out, but just brushes it off. But then, another night at 3:20 in the morning, Rivera thinks he keeps seeing someone walking behind him from the corner of his eye, even though he's the only person in the store. A little spooked, he decides to record himself as he walks through the store. hoping to catch a glimpse of any mysterious intruder that might be following him. What happened?
Grabe, no? Luwag din kasi ng ano yun. Isipin mo, no? Ikaw lang mag-isa, magro-roving lagi yan tuwing gabi, no? Pero siguro nasanay na siya kasi halos sa gabi-gabi yan ang trabaho niya. Umiikot-ikot lang siya dyan.
What's next is truly bizarre.
Bizarre.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Buenas madrugadas. No, bueno, más bien, estoy nervioso, asustado. Siempre traigo mi celular a la mano. Son las 3:20 de la mañana, me tocó aquí guardia nocturna, Bodega Herrera. Si se fijan, está todo solo. Pero
May salita niya? Espanyol ba? Parang Espanyol yung salita niya, no?
ahorita acabo de ver a alguien allá en la entrada de clientes. Se miró allá por la entrada de clientes, hasta allá hasta atrás. Y no hay nadie. Yo voy a asomarme y no hay nadie. Así lo voy a dejar a ver si pues de pura chingadera se vuelve a ver, ¿no? Y lo vi clarito. Ya.
Kung may CCTV sila dyan sa ano yan sa grocery store na yan, kung mayroon silang CCTV niya, mari-review niya naman dyan, makikita niya naman kung may mga gagalaw dyan sa mga sa mga paninda dyan, sa mga product dyan sa loob ng ng grocery.
Lo vi otra vez. A ver si se alcanza a ver. No, me da miedo ir. Eso que se mira ahí.
Wala, hindi namin makita kasi ang labo. Malabo. Malayo.
Eso negro que se ve ahí. Miren, ya se movió. ¡Oh! Está caminando, de hecho, hasta que no manches. Y se sigue moviendo.
No man, yes man. Parang layo kasi kaya hindi natin malayo yung video niya
Viendo. Se sigue moviendo. Es una persona, claro está que se mire. Miren. No. Vámonos.
Someone or something can be seen lurking behind the creeped out security guard. Now, we cut to a week later and Rivera is
Yun talaga. Buti pinokos niya. Ngayon nakita natin. Nakaitim.
back on another night shift when he spots a little girl aimlessly wandering around outside the supermarket. But before he can approach her,
Bata nga kasi isipin mo, bata nagpaparamdam kasi yung laruan ng laruan yung hinahawakan ay yung parang nilalaro ng kaluluwa na bata yun laruan ng sa ang tawag to Toy Story. Hindi ko kilala yun, nakalimutan ko ng pangalan yun may kasama naka naka cowboy cap.
she simply disappears into the night. Given the late hour and the fact that the little girl was all alone, many viewers have speculated that this little girl could have been responsible for the strange occurrences in the store. Some even suggest that she might actually be a ghost. So now a few months go by and things seem to be back to normal at the store. But then Rivera spots a shopping cart doing something a little weird.
¿Qué tal, amigos? ¿Cómo están? Oigan, estoy en mi hora de comida. Pero
Lunch break na, tanghalian na yan, ibig sabihin. Bakit? Warehouse ba yan? Ba't lunch break? Dapat may mga tao na dyan. Bali, malaki kasi nila yung store nila Kaya iba siguro yung stock room Baka nasa stock room siguro siya.
no van a creer, amigos. Ahorita escuché que se movió el carrito. No lo vi. Escuché que ese carrito se movió, amigos. Se escuchó ese clarito como si lo hubieran si lo hubiera alguien agarrado. Bueno, no sé, a lo mejor son mis nervios. Miren, hasta no sé si se fijan, hasta estoy temblando. Pero sí, clarito escuché que lo movieron, amigos.
Hindi pa nakikita niya. Nakikita niya na gumagalaw daw yung cart.
Clarito.
Clarito.
Si yo, pues no alcancé a grabarlo, obviamente. Pero mire, no manches, mira. Chéquense. Ustedes van a decir si soy yo, son mis nervios, no sé. Pero, miren, no manches, amigos. Se movió, el carro se movió.
Grabe, gumalaw yung yung cart, no? Papunta sa kanya. Patungo sa kanya yung usog. Yan, lapit.
Estoy seguro. Se movió, amigos. Se movió.